So now we will be going through part A, last program, that is extended service set, that is implementation of wireless LAN. So we are trying to have extended service set. So basically to start the NCTUNS, you go for terminal, dispatcher, okay, then coordinator, then again last terminal, NCTUNS client. So after having this, you will get your NCTUNS open. Okay, so here we are trying to have first a fixed node. Okay, then you need wireless access point. Okay, 8.0 to 11B, choose 8.0 to 11B access point, one access point. Okay, then you have, okay, 8.0 to 11B mobile node infrastructure mode, then choose that, okay, mobile node. So now we have to connect, okay, a router between wireless access point and fixed node. Okay, so this provides a point-to-point link from router to host, and then from host to wireless access point, that is through router. Okay, then between this wireless node, mobile node and access point, you should create a trajectory path. That is, before creating a trajectory path, first have a subnet. Means this whole thing is a one network, and in that one network, between access point and mobile node, there should be subnetwork. So here you will get, okay, create, okay, select wireless nodes to form a subnet. Okay, click on this, then left click on the mobile node, left click on the access point, and right click on the mobile node. So where you will find ID of chosen nodes. So this is one. Similarly, click on this again, go to select wireless nodes to form a subnet, click on mobile node, left click on access point, and come back to mobile node, right click on it. You will find this chosen. Okay, so now go to create a moving path. Okay, so once you click on create a moving path, click on the mobile node, where you will find input the default moving speed. This you should get. If you get it, then it is able to create the path. So go on creating the path. So once you form a round path, then press escape so that the moving path will get rid of this. Okay, again click on the access point, that is moving path, then click on the mobile node. You will find the speed, then create this trajectory path, and after this press escape. Okay, so like this you have created the network, you have drawn the topology. Once you have drawn the topology, go to edit topology. Please choose a file name. Okay, so in this root NCTUNS, in this NCTUNS, okay, you create your folder, okay, with your name, and then name the experiment with, okay, name the experiment with, okay, any save. Okay, save this. Okay, so after saving this, there are some things you have to perform. That is, double click on the mobile node. Okay, go to mobile IP, enable home. Okay, enable home IP, home agent IP address, my own IP address. My own IP address is IP address of the mobile node. Home agent IP address is, okay, IP address of this, okay, part of the router. So check it out, cancel this, check this IP address, okay, 1.0.2.2, this one 2.1, this is 2.1, this is 2.2. Similarly, this is 3.2, this is 3.1. Double click on this, mobile IP, enable, my own IP address is 1.0.2.2, home agent IP address is 1.0.2.1. Okay, then this is fine. Sorry, double click on this application, add instruction. Okay, command you have to give. The command you can use either UDP instruction or TCP instruction or TTCP instruction. So here I will use UDP instruction, STG -U 1024.100, and the receiver IP address is 1.0.1.1, that is fixed node. Okay, you are trying to have fixed node. So after giving this instruction, after changing the instructions at mobile IP, okay, node editor, go to this MAC, log packet statistics, collision packets, drop packets, since it is a sender, outgoing packets. This is the about wireless node. Similarly here, go to mobile IP, enable mobile IP address. This is 1.0.3.2. This is 1.0.3.1. Okay. Similarly, application, add command, STG -U 1024. Okay. Then give 100 1.0.1.1. Okay. So again this is a receiver. Then node editor, go to log packet statistics, collision, drop, outgoing. Okay, this is about this mobile node. Then go to router. Okay, here choose mobile IP, enable mobile IP. You have to give mobile nodes IP address. One is 1.0.2.2. Again click on add 1.0.2.3.2. Okay, mobile nodes IP address I have given. Here wireless interface IP address, that is home agent IP addresses, 1.0.2.1, 1.0.3.1. Okay, then port, any random port you can give, any number. Okay, 2000, 100, 500, anything. Care of address is router's other side address on the side of fixed node, that is 1.0. It is 1.2. Okay, if you are not sure, you can go back to router and check it also. Okay, 1.2. So only these things you have to add here. So this one 1.2, I was trying to add this. Now last one, properties of this. Okay, RTG. Okay, then I am trying to write the receiver sides, RTG -U -W log 1. Okay, this is about one sender. Similarly, add one RTG -U -W log 12, any name, any different name. Okay, so this I have changed the properties of all the mobile nodes, mobile node 1, mobile node 2, router and fixed. Once you have done this, go to run. Yes. Okay, go to simulation, run. As you know, this cursor should move slowly so that it makes sure all the steps whatever you have done are correct. So this is the time it takes. Okay, you have to wait for the simulation to complete. Once your simulation is done, okay, you are done with all these 3 steps. Okay, it goes to playback mode. So you have to come here and tell play. So you can see the trajectory, the mobile nodes are moving in this trajectory path, and also these red blue lines are indicating the transmission of packets. this is all about, okay, the execution of this experiment. I will try to show you the results. Okay, once you save it, minimize it, go to roots home, okay, nctuns, your folder LMS, okay, then I have given the name of the experiment as 5.7. Go to this, okay, then you want out throughput, okay, these are the, okay, packets here, okay, the time and the packets, okay, similarly, okay, anything, collision, the drop and collision, okay, so these are the packets, okay, of the drop, okay. So this is all about the experiment, okay, of having extended service set and checking the results. If you want, you can go to file graph also, GTools and graph and other things.